Welcome to Pew Class. In Pew Class, we talk about PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the red bell subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. Thank you. In this video, we want to talk about how to convert image or pictures to PDF, how to change image to PDF. So in most cases, we require to present our images, our pictures, our photos in form of a PDF, and PDF is generally acceptable and JPEG format. So PDF is a general format that is accepted in pictures and other stuff. So how do we go about that? How can we change our pictures to PDF? So we're going to use them already installed app in the Windows 10 environment. So we don't need an external software in this case. We just need the app in Windows 10. So if you don't have Windows 10, you can upgrade to Windows 10 so that you can actually use this free app. So all you need to do is to come over to the search bar. Once you click on the search bar, you type in photos. Once you type in photos on the search bar, you're going to see photos. You click on photos to open. You open it up. It's opening up now. So once it loads up, okay, you can see I already have some pictures here. So all I need to do is to actually select them. But in this case, I want to show you in case you don't have any pictures here already. So you can just go to import. Click on import to import some pictures into your photos. So when you click on import, you're going to see from a folder, you're going to see from a connected device. So your connected device like USB, your camera, your phone, other devices, you can import from those devices. So you can import from folders already existing in your PC. So you click on from a folder. Once you click on from a folder, it's going to bring out your folders, some of your folders on your desktop or on other places. So if you want any place the folder is, you click on it here. So let's say you want to import this folder, you click on it, then you import items from this folder. So in this case, I already have some pictures on my photos, so I'm going to cancel this step. So I'll come over here and click on select. Once I click on select, it brings out these small boxes that shows that you can select the pictures you want to change to PDF from here. So I'll click on this. You can see this images in PNGs, password protect documents. These are some of my videos on my channel. So you click on select on any of them. So I want to change this picture and this image to PDF. So all I need to do, select it. Once you select it, come over to this icon that looks like a printer, or you click on Ctrl P. Once you do that, it's going to load up. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Also give this video a thumbs up. Also give a comment in the comment section. Whichever video you want us to talk about, whatever video you want me to make, I'm going to do that in less than a day. So thank you. So you come over here. Once it loads up, you can see you have two pictures here. You can move it to check whether these are the pictures you wanted. So once you do that, you're going to come over here to click on this. You can see Microsoft Print PDF, or you come to this drop down arrow if you want to change the Microsoft SPS document writer or any of them. But in this case, we want to use print to PDF, so click on it. You can change the orientation, you can change the paper size, the photos, page margins, fit, and stuff like that. But I don't want to change anything here, so I'm just going to print. Click on print. Once you click on print, it brings us another dialog box. If you're in love with this video, give it a thumbs up. So under here, you choose where you want your image to appear. If you want it to appear on the desktop, you click the desktop. So let's just select desktop. So select desktop here. So I'm gonna save it now. Find name. So give it the name you want to use to save it. Let's just save it with a PDF. Let's save it to image to PDF. Image. Sorry about that. Image to PDF. So once you've done that, you click on save. So once you click on save, it's going to be saved on your desktop. So let's go to the desktop and check if it has been saved on the desktop. So So on the desktop, I'm going to look for the folder. Remember we saved it with what? Image to PDF. So you can look at it here. Image to PDF. You can see it. Image to PDF. So once you see the image to PDF, you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open up. So it's loading up. It's loading up. So drop down a comment in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to you. So this is it, image to PDF. You can see my Microsoft Edge has already opened it up for me. So look at it, image to PDF. It's now in PDF format. So this is basically how you can convert your image to PDF. Thanks.